Yeah, man, she drop out, brother. Yeah, man, nice lady, man. Me I tell you, say the community in pain right now. Yeah, man. Yes, man. Yeah, yeah. Are the grave digging to them, man. So, me and my brethren, them go there, go give her one strength. Yeah, man. Yes, we got to go, help out and thing, cause it was a good lady, man. Good lady. Why I mean, they even know the good people, them just drop out, so. And then you have some little people, they are just like give peer trouble and thing. Them just there every day, I give peer trouble. And the good people, them, brother. Yeah, man. Come here, I remember one morning me I go to school, and she a call me and I tell me, say, little boy, you don't see your shoes one time. And me I tell her, say, she lift me up, and tie me shoes lace, man. Yeah, man, me I tell you, man, them not to find them people around the place too much. Yeah, man. Yeah, so, yes. Yeah, man. 2 weeks from now, I funeral still, Yeah, man. So see what you can do, Patrick, man. See what you can do. Cause a good lady, man. A good lady. You know? Yeah, man. More when mommy I go to the funeral and thing and the night, mommy can shoot out something. Yeah, man. Good lady. We have to do something. Yeah, man. Right now, true, me a man, I mean not too bad, but me heart a cry still, brother. If you know, so she gone, yeah, man. Yeah, man. Alright then, cause me that tell you from where you say phone now to work good and upon minutes. Oh, alright then. And you call me? Alright, me I tell you say the grave digging match me up so till me don't even realize what I go and say you call me and I know me call you. Yeah, alright then, alright, take care. Yeah, alright, brother. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. You hear? Wally Patrick story there.